Hello guys, welcome to Technolung Reviews. Today, I will review the Branalyzer all-in-one brands analysis software. You will find its lifetime deal starting at just $59 at Appsumo. You can stack up to 8 codes. Here are the features you will get. Later in the video, I will let you know which plan is the best for you. If you need an extra 10% discount, please watch the full video. Branalyzer analyzes in-depth your brand and the competitors to improve your SEO and overall online presence. It is a low-cost alternative to Ahrefs and Semrush. And it is best for marketers, marketing agencies, and small businesses. When I am reviewing, it shows 288 reviews, and the count is increasing every moment. If we look at the review section, we can tell that almost all the reviews are good. It means it is a quality SEO and brand analysis software. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the dashboard of Branalyzer. Here, on the left-hand side, you will find Home, Brand Summary, Brand SEO, Brand History, and so on. We will discuss everything in this video. To get started, we need to analyze a domain. In the front, you will see Select Country and Domain URL box. We need to select our target country. Here I choose the United States of America. In the Analyze Any URL option, you need to put a domain URL. Let's analyze this domain and click Be Curious. After analyzing, you will see the brand summary. Here, you will see the name of the website, URL, and social media. In the business info, you will see the main categories, like home and garden, global traffic, 1.3K, country traffic, 874, and keywords, 5.9K. Besides this, you will find website meta information too. The next section is brand SEO. Here, we will find Moz info like DA, PA, etc. and Majestic tool info like CF, TF, etc. And lastly, you will find load times such as Connect, TLS, etc. Those data are very reliable and very important to understand the current situation of your site. The next part is brand history. Here, you will see a graph. To understand better, let's check the data in table mode. Here, we see date-wise data, a very interesting feature. If we analyze this data, it shows traffic 700, new keywords 18, means newly ranked keywords, out keywords 16, means new outranked keywords, etc. It helps us understand the growth of this site. In the brand keyword section, there is organic keywords and Keywords Hunter tab. In the Organic Keywords tab, you find keywords and their position with traffic, CPC, and post URL. You can check your website keywords with it. In the Keywords Hunter tab, you can research keywords. In the search box, let's give a keyword to analyze. Suppose hosepipe is our keyword. After analyzing, it shows some suggested keywords related to my keyword. In the next box, it shows which sites rank with those keywords. Besides, you check those sites' DA, PA, and other statics. You can also export them to analyze. Branalyzer gives Ahrefs and Semrush type data in a very organized way, and the price is very low compared to them. You can find its lifetime deal at just $59 at Appsumo. In the brand backlinks, you will see the backlinks profile of the analyzed site. You can also check the category of this backlinked site, its traffic, DA, etc. Most interestingly, you can research the backlink site emails too. In the brand competitor, you can find a list of your competitors' sites. You can analyze them separately, like this. It is a very powerful feature. Besides, you can check ranked keywords, traffic, and so on. Next is the brand's top pages. Here, you can check and analyze the top pages of the analyzed website. Besides, you will also see the keywords of those ranked pages with their respective traffic. It is an outstanding feature. The Brand Malicious section gives a complete overview of the site's risk score, malware update, and so on. If you find anything negative, just fix it to get rid of malware attack. The next section, the Brand Social, tells us about the social media pages of the site. Besides this, you will find brand report, brand emails, brand traffic, and brand KPI, etc. They are not that useful, so we will skip those. Next, we will check Local Hunter. It is a local SEO site, hunter-type feature. Suppose we search Hotel in California in the search box. It will show listed hotels in California, and you can analyze them. You will see their domains and Google Map addresses like this, their type, city, state, rating, and reviews. It also shows phone number, email, etc. So, you can use this as a local lead collection tool. In the SERP Hunter section, you will find a keyword search engine results page with position, domain URL, and title. You can analyze them and find email to contact. In Backlink Hunter, you can use this feature for competitor backlink analysis. Just put your competitor's site. Like here, I use this competitor, pressurewasher.com, to analyze their backlinks. If you like any backlink, email them and convince them to take backlink for your site. As an SEO expert, I can tell that it is a very useful feature. Even Ahrefs and Semrush lack this feature. You can research expired domain with it. So it is a complete review with a step-by-step tutorial on the Branalyzer all-in-one brands analysis software. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this tool. If you have 1 to 5 websites, plan one deal, $59 is fine. But if you give SEO service and have an agency or team, you can buy more codes depending on your needs. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you really like this video, please subscribe us and give us a like. And, for more information, please visit www.technolung.com.